So a lot of people told me to create a YouTube channel. Why? It all started when I first downloaded TikTok after my wife kept showing me funny videos and wanted me to get more involved with TikTok. So I downloaded TikTok, and TikTok very quickly realized what kind of videos I'd be interested in. They started showing me more and more stock videos, finance videos, motivational videos, etc., etc. After scrolling for hours and hours, I quickly realized something. StockTok is very toxic. There are a lot of gurus on there who bait people with flashy things, say you can have this, have that. All you have to do is join my Discord and pay me hundreds of dollars and you'll learn how. Well, that's kind of normal in any industry, but that's not what really upset me. What really upset me is the bad advice that I started seeing. Day trading tips and tricks, technical analysis garbage, hype stocks, meme stocks, penny stocks claiming to make you rich, etc., etc. It was very predatory behavior that went against everything I've ever believed in when it comes to money. So I decided I wanted to clean up StockTok. I made my channel, started off with fun facts about money, finance. It evolved to like fundamental basics around money. Then I started to share some of my trades and take it to more stock market related content, which, by the way, none of it is financial recommendations in any way, shape, or form. I am not a financial advisor. I'm just a kid who likes stocks. So please do your own due diligence, do your own research before buying things. Please don't blindly follow people on TikTok. It is very dangerous. You can lose all of your money if you do that. So I started my account and it started to grow and grow. It was nice to see people actually enjoying my content, probably because it's a little refreshing after getting blasted with video after video about how to get rich quick. These penny stocks are going to do this and that and this and that. So TikTok only binds you to under 60 seconds of video, which comes to why I have this YouTube channel now. YouTube allows you to have longer form videos, dive in deeper on topics, and get the point across much clearer. So here we are. My new YouTube. If you haven't already, please consider hitting the subscribe button to follow along. We'll be posting videos here in addition to my TikTok, and I hope you guys enjoy.